Okay, so for those of you who had come in from Cam Sandwich's channel, I wanted to welcome you all to this channel. If you're wondering when I'm going to do that video on WWB, I have a May 15th date set up for it, so expect it then. But I wanted to welcome you all to this channel. Yes, I am a math guy, I am a numbers guy, and I do lots of number stuff, mostly involving finance. And that is what one of these videos is going to be about today. This is kind of an impromptu video on Atlas Earth and its boost tiers. It's one of the more popular games that people talk about on here. But the WWB video I've made a promise on, I'm going to do on May the 15th. I'm working on recording right now and just want to let you all know. So anyway, for those of you that did come from Cam Sandwich, welcome. For the rest of you, let's get to the video. Hey everyone, yeah, I have heard immediately following my video regarding Atlas Earth in Canada that Atlas Reality had updated their boost tiers, and now we are looking at a two-tier system, one for just the United States, and then one for international. So far, international consists of only Canada, at least in buying parcels, but it should also expand to Australia. At least that's what it seemed like from what we had seen on a previous rendition of their page, that Atlas Earth could be coming to Australia very soon. Again, just a rumor mill, and they had put that down. We don't quite know. But if so, welcome Australians. So that being said, we're going to look at the international tier today, and we're going to look at the total parcel power of this and figure out the best strategy for international players. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use text here. I'm going to set it to 18. I'm going to type right here. It would be a good start. Maybe move this up a little bit. No? Okay, well, here's what I'll do. I'll just start typing. So 60 times 20 was 1,500. So that's our maximum parcel power right there is 1,500. So I'm going to move that over here. There we go. The next one is, oh, it's not 1,500, it's 1,200. What am I doing? I'm getting ahead of myself. At parcel power of, oh, maybe I need a bold font. Let me try with bold. 18, there we go. So 100 times 15 is 1,500. Oh, geez, that did not even show up. Let me do this here. There we go, 1,500. Then we have 150 parcels at 10x, which was the same as Canada before. That's 1,500. Then we have 8x at 180 parcels. That puts us down to 1,440. 180 times 8. 18 times 8 is 144. And we have 7x, which is up to 220. 220 times 7, well, 22 times 7 is 154, so 1,540. And then we'll continue. 250 times 6 is 1,500. 300 times 5, 1,500. 350 times 4, 1,400. 450 times 3, 1,350. So without super rent boosts, the best strategy actually would have been, if I use this here, oh geez, too big. A little bit less. There we go. It would have been to start going all the way down to 7x and just kind of stop in there. But for those of you that have checked the break-even chart, and I have a bit of a picture here for you that you can see the break-even chart. There are break-even spots for every single one of them if you do 2 super rent boosts per month. So it's your choice, depending on whether or not you participate in the super rent boost. You could buy your way all the way down to 7x and just stop there. My advice, though, if you're an international player, start at 40 parcels, like the rest of us, basically in the U.S. Then buy 1 badge. The next time you want to buy another badge at another tier of badges, if you just want to keep going down because of the super rent boosts, would be at around 440 to get yourself the tier 2. But it does not look like, at least to me, you wouldn't have to worry about max badges too much yet. You know what? It changed my mind. Go down to 7x, where the max parcel power is, just like we do with the 30x in the United States, and go to max badges, actually. So forget what I said earlier. Just go to max badges once you've hit 7x. So you want to get to 220. I think that's the best strategy here. Get to 220, max out your badges, and then go for the rest. Down here, 6x, 5x, because this is where the highest partial power is going to be. So you will essentially make the most in the 220 mark where the 7x tier is. That is the similar strategy to what we do in the United States, except for us, it is 30x because the partial power there is 30 times 150, 4,500, and it is 3x before we see a partial power that strong again. With you, though, you won't see a partial power that strong again until you hit 2x. Matter of fact, it gets worse as you come on down. So actually, again, not really mathematically proven on this case, but you might want to stop at like 5x, to be honest with you, where 300 partials is, and then basically just wait until you're about, let's see, 450, so 1350. That's about 675 partials without super rent boosts, and I think the break even is 519. So basically build up Atlas bucks at that point. So I should have them written up here on the on a screen here for those of you that want it all written down. This is for international players only, and I will modify it to make it more mathematically sound as we get closer to the optimal strategy guide. Not to mention those of you who are in the US, you can ignore this entirely. Just follow the same rules that we've been following this whole time. The only thing I feel bad for international players is that their partial power is basically like anywhere from a third to a fourth what ours is, and it sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you, it sucks because our partial power is anywhere between 4,200 to 4,500 on these lower tiers, but it's understandable. Again, I've said because of advertising numbers. So, and that's the video, everybody. I hope this is helpful to international players. Not just from Canada, because we should see Australia opening up in the next couple months, it looks like. I'm pretty sure the UK is not too far behind. If the swag bucks and other places are any indication, probably France and Germany is not too far behind either. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to comment on, what you think about this new boost tiers for them, or if you just want to say WWB WEN. That'd be cool too. And don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. We are very close to 2,000 subscribers, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.